So here's how to change fees and slippage on Axiom Pro Trade. First, you will need to go to axiom.trade and then log into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get 10% off on the fees, on the trading fees. And now we will need to click on the preset on the left bottom here, trading settings, and now you will see preset 1, 2, and 3. Now you can select the buy settings or the sell settings and adjust the slippage and fees in here. For example, you can put the values you want, and now you can also choose to enable MEV reduction. You can also select auto fees to pick the best ones automatically, which is still in beta. You can also specify a maximum fee in here that should not be surpassed by these settings. Now you can also create different presets for buying and selling. Now to use it, you'll simply need to go to an example in here. For example, MVG, and under the buy and sell section here, on the bottom you should see your 3 presets, and you can simply select the one you prefer to use, and you can see the fees in here are being changed automatically. And you can also select buy and sell settings from under the presets, and that should update respectively. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.